Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial for you on how to paint peony flowers on Procreate on the iPad Pro. As always, the brushes that I use are available for free to download. Those resources are available in the link in the description, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Okay, today I am going to quick show you how to draw some peonies using a brand new brush. And then the new brush is called the Inverse Dynamo. And then brushes I've shared before are the Woolly Hard Edge and the Woolly Water. I'm also going to be sharing this Floral Brights palette. So we're going to start off using the Inverse Dynamo and keep the opacity all the way up, but change the size. Do a Google image search here for peonies. And then making sure I'm on a clean layer set to multiply. Actually, before I get started, I want to quick show you some things about this brush. So this is a heavy start brush, which means that when you start and you're not pressing very hard, you'll get the most pigment. The harder you press, the more and as the brush gets wider, if you can see, I'm pressing right now, there's less pigment. So it's a fun brush for drawing florals. As always, I use a lot of double tap to undo. Start by what I like about peonies is they're kind of messy flowers. Just some small things for the middle. It's bigger petals. So I'm feeling pretty good about those shapes. So I'm gonna go in this orangish color and just add the tiniest bit of color to the middle. I'm going to go in again with a pale yellow. And then finally, I'm going to add some variation here to some of the color. Change the opacity. I'm just using a really light touch, but because the opacity is so low, there's not a lot of pigment coming out, which is exactly what I want. And so by using a light touch, I don't even have to change the brush size at all, because this brush is a smaller width when you are starting the stroke. We're just doing really light, more taps than strokes, really. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my blend tool. I'm gonna use the woolly water brush, and I'm gonna have the opacity all the way up, but I'm gonna make it a pretty small one here. I'm just gonna go in and blend out some of these harder edges. I don't want to lose all of my brush stroke definition, but I'm just gonna make it look a little more watery here. And anywhere that I added two colors, I'm gonna sort of blur some of those together. I'm going to get this part ready to be clip art. So I'm going to duplicate the layer and then change the tap on the layer, tap on the M, change the settings to normal, tap again, and tap alpha lock. Going to select a white, and then tap and fill layer. Now I'm going to do this, duplicate it a few times, and then pinch to merge the layers together. And so this gives us a nice white background. And now tap and select the layer, and then make sure that you are back working on the layer that you painted in. Select that and the hard edge. And I'm just gonna go in, and I'm going to, this is a directional brush, so I just have to go left to right to get the soft edge on the art, or clockwise I should say. So I'm going to go just around the edges, and then just add in a little bit extra color. And a little bit more definition in some of these places. Now I deselect, and I'm going to merge the layers together. Okay, so next, if you want, you can go in and add stems or greenery, or change the alpha lock, turn it off, and import this into your computer to make clip art, or you can make an arrangement by using the freehand select tool. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out. Subscribe if you want more. I'll be back with more soon. Thanks so much. Is it dinner time? Bye, YouTube.